Hello, I'm Tara and I had vertical restore and fat transfer with Dr. Karam. I just want to do a quick video. This is day 8. I had my surgery a week ago yesterday. Today I'm going home. Want to show you my incision line. Definitely have some bruising and swelling. I'm very swollen still, but bruising here, some redness, but the incisions look really great. It's amazing how there's no hair loss at all. You can't even see. It starts way up here and you can't even tell. So that's obviously super important for us to not lose hair and have it be seen in your hairline. What's in front of the ears obviously will smooth out and the redness will go away, and not concerned about that at all. Really happy with the results. Day 1 through 5, lots of swelling, obviously some discomfort. Bruising started to appear more, and about day 6, it went the other direction. Swelling started to go down. Again, this is day 8, and it's really gone down considerably. Definitely uneven swelling like they say, but that's normal and not concerned about that at all. Really nice, tight. My neck looks great. So I'll do another video. 2 weeks, I'll probably do one every week, for sure for the first month. I also gave him photos, so I'm assuming those will go up as well. So super happy and excited for the next few weeks to see the changes. 1 month since I had the vertical restore and a fat transfer. I'm super happy with the results. It's amazing how in the last 2 weeks things have really started improving like every day. My concerns about having it done, really, I didn't have a lot of concerns. I was really excited to do it. I think most of my concerns were how would I look afterwards and would I really look like the pictures that are posted of the people who have had it done. And I have to say that it is like that. It's kind of cool to now look at myself in the mirror, and it's like what I used to look like 15 years ago. So that part's awesome. My skin is so like tight, and it's amazing. My neckline is my neck I don't think was too bad, but it's like looks a lot better. Right now in terms of healing, it's still swelling or swollen, but not nearly as bad. A little wavy like they say, definitely healing differently like they say. A lot of that kind of can be hidden by the hair. My incisions look fabulous. You can barely see them. It's actually amazing. And how it's up in your hairline, and there's no like, the incisions are like, I'm so surprised by them because I thought I would see them more, and you just cannot. Definitely need to put a ton of sunscreen on at this time of year, because I'm outside all the time, so I'm super careful about that. So I'm super happy, very glad I did it, and I am excited to see what the next couple months bring, as well as a year from now, because they say that the fat transfer actually looks better after a year, and I feel like, wow, if I'm gonna look better in a year, that's pretty exciting. So I think overall what I expected it in the way I expected it to be was pretty spot on. Little uncomfortable in the beginning, but it's funny that it's been a month and it seems like it was just yesterday, and it's, you know, like here I am and it's great. And so that's it. Super happy, and I'm excited to see what it looks like in a month.